because I want to get to know my dad. I also feel like I'm somehow betraying Oscar.
Did he say that?
No, but he doesn't have to.
That's so selfish. If your dad sucks, he sucks. My dad, despite what he thought about my mom, at least let me get to know her. Of course, Oscar can't see anything but himself. Sorry. He's not even worth talking about.
Chicken sandwich?
Keep walking.
Caesar?
He's good.
So, is Monse still mad at us because we didn't take sides or because we didn't believe she was leaving?
I don't know, it's too hard to keep track.
Chicken sandwich! What? We got cheese, no cheese, lettuce wrap.
Hey, do you have anything vegetarian?
Yeah. This is faux chicken.
We don't have any faux chicken.
Oh, show.
Ah, I see what you did there. Nice.
We gotta keep up the sales.
You know, I could use some of that smooth. It's been 7 hours since I hooked up with Kendra, and she still didn't get back to me.
So text her.
I did, and then I didn't hear from her, so I texted her again.
Devil texted her, Jamal, rookie move. Wait, don't send any more texts.
Okay, for sure. Hypothetical.